Hi, we're Big Y's dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. When it's cold outside, waffles are a delicious breakfast that warm you from the inside out.
And with these easy recipes, there's no need to go out to a restaurant to enjoy them.
Cornmeal waffles. Combine flour, cornmeal, and baking powder in a medium bowl. In a separate bowl, combine sugar, buttermilk, and eggs. Add wet ingredients to dry mixture and stir until just combined. Pour batter into preheated waffle iron and cook until lightly browned. Top with your favorite fruit compote and enjoy.
Whole wheat waffles. Whisk together flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. In a separate bowl, whisk together egg, milk, and oil. Add dry ingredients to wet and stir until just combined. Cook waffles in a preheated waffle maker and top with favorite combinations like banana and pecans or apples, cinnamon, and walnuts.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.